Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're going to be customizing some toddler Air Forces. This is our first how-to video and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're starting off with a pair of toddler size Air Forces that I've base painted black with Angelus paint. Okay, so I'm going to use masking tape, or some call it painter's tape, around the places where I don't want any of the other paint to go. So I'm covering all the white bases because I'm going to be doing a splatter design and I don't want it to go on any other white. Okay, so I'm using a blade to go around the masking tape to make the edges nice and sharp. So when I take it off, it'll end up with a nice, neat finish. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is Angelus white paint, as you can see from there, and we're going to be getting a paintbrush, dipping in the paint and then using your thumb and just flicking it on to the shoe to get these really nice splatter designs. And I'm going to also be doing a pale blue colour. This is also Angelus. Doing the same technique as we used before. Okay, now when you take the masking tape off after all the paint's dried, we end up with a nice neat finish. I could have left it at that, but I decided to do a bit more. So I wanted the ticks to stand out. So here I am going over the Nike ticks with white Angelus paint, just to make it pop out a little bit more. I'm doing a few coats of this, about 2 or 3, because I did it over black, so I had to go over it a few times. Once that's done, I'm going to be going over it with a matte finisher to give it a nice look, and so it becomes waterproof and scratch proof. Now I'm packaging this because it's an order for a customer. And there you have it. This is the finished product with all the packaging, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and like.